Hello everyone, hope you are doing fine. Welcome back to yet another episode of Ayur Samveda, a smart way to Ayurveda. We are discussing Annaswarupa Vijnani Adhyaya in Study Ashtanga Hridaya series. Please subscribe to my channel and enable the bell button for continuous updates in Samhita. In the last videos, we were discussing about Aushadha Varga. If you have not watched those videos, please click the I button to access it. Moving with the Aushadha Varga, the properties of Trijada and Chadurjada. Svakesaram Chadurjadam Tvakpatrayelam Trijatakam Pittaprakopi Tikshnoshnam Ruksham Rojana Deepanam. Svakesaram Chadurjadam Tvakpatra Elam Trijatakam Pittaprakopi Tikshna Ushnam Ruksham Rojana Deepanam. Svakesaram Chadurjadam Tvakpatra Elam Trijatakam Pittaprakopi Tikshna Ushnam Ruksham Rojana Deepanam. Tvakpatra and Ela comprises the Trijata, and Trijada along with Kesara makes it Chadurjada. The properties are Tikshna, that is sharp in action, Ushna, that is Ushnavirya, that is Ruksha, dry, Rojana improves the taste, Deepana improves the digestive power or help in increasing the Agni Deepti, Pitta Prakopi, it aggravates the Pitta dosha. And next, moving with the properties of Trikatu. Trikatu is composed of Maricha, Pippali and Nagara. Moving with the individual properties. First, Maricha. Rase Page cha Katukam Kaphaknam Maricham Lakhu. Rase Page cha Katukam Kaphaknam Maricham Lakhu. Rase Page cha Katukam Kaphaknam Maricham Lakhu. The Maricha are having the properties such as Katu, Rasa and Vipaka. It is Kaphakna, that is specifies the Kapha dosha. It is Lakhu, very light to digest. And moving with the properties of Pippali. Shleshmala Swadushita Ardra Gurvi Snigdha cha Pippali Sa Shushka Viparita Ataha Snigdha Vrishya Rase Katuhu Swadupaga Anila Shleshma Shvasakasapaha Sara Natam Atyupayunjita Rasayana Vidhi Vina. Shleshmala Swadu Shita Ardra Gurvi Snigdha cha Pippali Sa Shushka Viparita Ataha Snigdha Vrishya Rase Katuhu Swadupaga Anila Shleshma Shvasa Kasapaha Sara Na Tam Ati Upayunjita Rasayana Vidhi Vina. Shleshmala Swadu Shita Ardra Gurvi Snigdha cha Pippali Sa Shushka Viparita Ataha Snigdha Vrishya Rase Katuhu Swadupaga Anila Shleshma Shvasa Kasapaha Sara Na Tam Ati Upayunjita Rasayana Vidhi Vina. The properties of Pippali are, when it is fresh or Ardra, it is Swadu, that is Madhura Rasa, Shita Virya, Guru, that is heavy to digest, and Snigdha, anxious, it is Shleshmala, aggravates Kapha dosha. The Pippali, when it is Shushka or in dried state, it is Viparita, that is opposite to that of properties of the fresh Pippali. It is Katurasa, Snigdha, that is anxious, it is Vrishya, aphrodisiac, and it is also Swadupaga, that is Madhura Vipaka, Anila Shleshma Hara, that is specifies the Vata and Kapha dosha. It cures Shvasa, that is dyspnea or breathing difficulty, Kasapaha, it cures cough, and it is Sara, laxative. And this Pippali Na Ati Upayunjita, that is should not be used excessively, Rasayana Vidhi Vina, except for Rasayana therapy. In Rasayana Karma, there is a Varthamana Pippali Prayoga, that is in which daily the number of Pippali will be increased and administered to the patient based on the condition. Except that Pippali should not be used in large quantity. Moving with the properties of Nagara. Nagaram Deepanam Vrishyam Grahi Hridyam Vibanthanut Ruchyam Lakhu Swadupagam Snigdhoshnam Kaphavadajit. Nagaram Deepanam Vrishyam Grahi Hridyam Vibanthanut Ruchyam Lakhu Swadupagam Snigdha Ushnam Kaphavadajit. Nagaram Deepanam Vrishyam Grahi Hridyam Vibanthanut Ruchyam Lakhu Swadupagam Snigdha Ushnam Kaphavadajit. Nagara is having the properties Swadupaka, that is Madhura Vipaka, it is Snigdha, that is anxious, Ushnavirya, Lakhu, that is light to digest, it is Deepana, improves digestive power or promotes Agnidipti, it is Vrishya, aphrodisiac, it is Grahi, that is produces constipation, it is Hridya, delightful or good for the heart, Vibandhanut, it clears the obstruction caused to the srotas, it is Ruchya, improves taste, and it is Kapha Vadajit, that is pacifies the Kapha and Vada dosha. Moving with the general properties of Trikatu, Tadvat Ardragam etaccha Trayam Trikatukam Jayet Staulya Agnisatana Shwasakasa Shripata Pinasan. Tadvat Ardragam etaccha Trayam Trikatukam Jayet Staulya Agnisatana Shwasakasa Shripata Pinasan. Tadvat Ardragam etaccha Trayam Trikatukam Jayet Staulya Agnisatana Shwasa Kasa Shlipata Pinasan. Ardraka is the dried variety of Nagara and it is having similar properties to that of Nagara. Trikatu in general cures Staulya, that is obesity, Agnisatana Mantakni, that is help in Agnidipti, it cures Shwasa, that is dyspnea or breathing difficulty, it helps in curing the Kasa, that is cough, Shlipata, that is filariasis, Pinasa, rhinitis condition. Next, moving with the properties of Panchakola. Panchakola are Pipali Mula, Chavya, Chitraka and Nagara. Moving with the properties of Chavya and Pipali Mula. Chavika Pipali Moolam Maricha Alpandaram Gunaihi. Chavika Pipali Moolam Maricha Alpandaram Gunaihi. Chavika Pipali Moolam Maricha Alpandaram Gunaihi. Chavika or Chavya and Pipali Moola are having less properties or inferior than the properties of Maricha, that is Alpandara Guna. Properties of Chitraka. Chitrako Agnisamaha Page Shofa Krimi Kushtaha. Chitraka Agnisamaha Page Shofa Arsha Krimi Kushtaha. Chitrakaha Agnisamaha Page Shofa Arsha Krimi Kushtaha. Chitraka is having the properties Agnisamaha Page, that is Ushnavirya, and Shofa cures edema or swelling, Arsha cures hemorrhoids, Krimi it helps in curing the worm infestation, and Kushtaha it helps in curing the skin diseases. And in general the properties of Panchakola. Panchakolakam etaccha Marichena Vinasmritam Gulma Pliha Udara Anaha Shulaknam Deepanam Param. Panchakolakam etad cha Marichena Vinasmritam Gulma Pliha Udara Anaha Shulaknam Deepanam Param. Panchakolakam etad cha Marichena Vinasmritam Gulma Pliha Udara Anaha Shulaknam Deepanam Param. The Panchakola are Pipali Moola, Chavya, Chitraka and Nagara. The Trikatus are Maricha, Pipali and Nagara, and among this Trikatu, Marichena Vina. Except Maricha, the other ingredients of Trikatu, that is Pipali and Nagara, are included in the Panchakola. The properties of Panchakola are, it is Deepana, that is improves the digestive power or help in Agnidipti. In Gulma, that is it cures the abnormal mass. Pliha, help in curing the disorders of spleen. Udara, that is help in controlling or curing the ascites condition. Anaha cures the abdominal distension, and Shulaknam it help in relieving or curing the pain. Moving with the properties of Panchamoola. The group of drugs in which the moola or roots are being used is termed as Panchamoola. They are Mahat Panchamoola, Hrasva Panchamoola, Madhyama Panchamoola, Jivana Panchamoola and Trina Panchamoola. Moving with the properties of each Panchamoola. First, Mahat Panchamoola. Bilva Kashmarya Tarkari Padala Tindukair Mahat Jayet Kashaya Tiktoshnam Panchamoolam Kabhanilau. Bilva Kashmarya Tarkari Padala Tindukaihi Mahat Jayet Kashaya Tikta Ushnam Panchamoolam Kabha Anilau. Bilva Kashmarya Tarkari Patala Tindukaihi Mahat Jayet Kashaya Tikta Ushnam Panchamoolam Kabha Anilau. The Mahat Panchamula is composed of Bilva, Kashmarya, Tarkari, Patala and Tintuka, and they are having Kashaya and Tiktarasa, Ushnavirya, Kapha Anilav, that is pacifies the Kapha and Vada dosha. The properties of Hrasva Panchamula. Hrasvam Brihatyamshumadi Dvaya Gokshurakaihi Smritam Svadupagarasam Nati Shitoshnam Sarvadoshajit. Hrasvam Brihati Amshumati Dvaya Gokshurakaihi Smritam Svadupagarasam Na Ati Shita Ushnam Sarva Doshajit. Hrasvam Brihadi Amshumati Dvaya Gokshurakaihi Smritam Svadupagarasam Na Ati Shita Ushnam Sarva Doshajit. Hrasva Panchamula is comprising of Brihati Dvaya, that is Vyakri and Simhi, or the synonyms are Brihati and Kantakari. Amshumati Dvaya, that is two varieties of Amshumati, that is Shaliparni and Prishniparni. Gokshura. It is having Swadu, Rasa and Vipaka, that is Madhura Rasa and Vipaka. It is Nadi Shitoshna, it is not too much of hot or too much of cold in potency. It is Sarva Doshajit, pacifies all the three doshas. The properties of Madhyama Panchamula. Bala Punarnava Erenda Shurpa Parni Dvayenatu Madhyamam Kaphavadaknam Nadi Pittakaram Saram. Bala Punarnava Erenda Shurpa Parni Dvayena Madhyamam Kaphavadaknam Na Ati Pittakaram Saram. Bala Punarnava Erenda Shurpaparni Dvayena Tu Madhyamam Kaphavadaknam Na Ati Pittakaram Saram. Madhyama Panchamula is consisting of Bala, Punarnava, Erenda, Shurpaparni Dvaya, that is two varieties of Shurpaparni, that is Mudgaparni and Mashaparni, and it is Kaphavadakna, pacifies Kapha and Vada dosha. It is Nadi Pittakara, it not aggravate Pitta dosha very intensely. It is Sara, that is laxative. Moving with the properties of Jivana Panchamula. Abhiruvira Jivanti Jivaka Rishabhakaihi Smritam Jivanakyam Tu Chakshusyam Vrishyam Pittanilapaham. Abhiru Veera Jivanti Jivaka Rishabhakaihi Smritam Jivanakyam Tu Chakshusyam Vrishyam Pitta Anilapaham. Abhiru Veera Jivanti Jivaka Rishabhakaihi Smritam Jivanakyam Tu Chakshusyam Vrishyam Pitta Anilapaham. The Jivana Panchamula are Abhiru, Veera, Jivanti, Jivaka and Rishabhaka. The properties are, it is Chakshusha, good for eyes or good for the vision. Vrishya, aphrodisiac. Pitta Anilapaham, it pacifies Pitta and Vada dosha. Moving with the properties of Trina Panchamula. Trinakyam Pittajit Darbha Kasa Ikshu Shara Shalibhihi. Idi Aushadha Vargaha. Trinakyam Pittajit Darbha Kasa Ikshu Shara Shalibhihi. Trinakyam Pittajit Darbha Kasa Ikshu Shara Shalibhihi. Darbha, Kasa, Ikshu, Shara and Shali constitute the Trina Panchamula, and the properties is Pittajit, that is it reduces or pacifies the Pitta dosha. Thus it comes to the end of Aushadha Varga. Shuka Shimbija Pakwana Mamsa Shaga Bhalaushatehi Vargitehi Annalesho Ayamukto Nityopayogikaha. Shuka Shimbija Pakwana Mamsa Shaga Bhala Oshatehi Vargitehi Anna Lesho Ayamukto Nitya Upayokikaha. Shuka Shimbija Pakwana Mamsa Shaga Bhalaushatehi Vargitehi Anna Lesho Ayamukto Nitya Upayokikaha. So in this chapter, Anna Swarupa Vijnani Adhyaya, the different or various edibles or the food items that are daily in use has been categorized in different groups such as Shuka, Shimbidhanya, Pakwana, Mamsa, Shaka, Bhala and Aushadha Vargas, and the properties of these different categories has been mentioned in brief. इति श्री वैद्यपति सिंहगुप्तसून श्रीमद् वाग्भट विरचितायाम् अष्टांग हृदय संहितायां सूत्रस्थाने अन्नस्वरूप विज्ञानियो नाम षष्ठो अध्यायः. Thus ends the 6th chapter of Ashtanga Hridaya Sutrasthana, named as Annaswarupa Vijnaniya Adhyaya, in which the different Ahara Vargas has been mentioned with their properties in a brief. Thus we completed the Annaswarupa Vijnaniya Adhyaya of Ashtanga Hridaya Sutrasthana. We will be moving with our next chapter in the upcoming videos. For more updates on Samhita, make sure you subscribe the channel. Thank you. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.